Alright guys, this is Geek the Sneak, doing another video here with Cameron, and we're going to be actually opening up this bad boy here. Just got this in the mail, super excited. This is going to be coming from actually San Jose, California, and this is the unboxing video for the 64 gigabyte flash drive. And it's going to be actually referenced after the 1080 Founders Edition, which is really dope. And yeah, so we're going to have a look-see. And just a little bit of back history on these guys. There was a little spoof went out on Reddit about this guy and how the 64 gigabyte flash drive can essentially make your computer faster and blah 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 blah, and the rumors were circling around that it could, and this, that, and the other, and because of that, you know, it had made big waves basically in social media, which I thought was very interesting, and I'll explain why later. But let's get back to the unboxing video, and yeah, here we go. Now I won this at an event. I'm not going to say which one, but I did. And with that being said, they only made 1,000 of these. And I now have one of those 1,000. This is Nvidia's GTX 64 gigabyte, inspired by gamers, baby. Nvidia status. USB drive. Ultra rare. Smaller than my hand. Check it out. So here we go. First time look. Woo! Look at that. Guys, this is Geek the Sneak. I'm super excited right now, dog. 64 gigabyte. Now, what's also so awesome about this, not only is it super rare, look at the back plate. Just like a video card. A nice backplate, metal, listen. You hear that? Yeah. That's what's up. Look at that, beautiful. Looks just like a 1080 Founders Edition 1080 Ti GTX by Nvidia USB flash drive. Now this is only 3.0, USB 3.0. This is not USB 3.1, but still, I mean, hey. This is awesome. Alright, so I'm lit. This is Geek the Sneak. Before I go, one other thing I want to mention. What's really cool about this thing that I'm hype about. The thing about that Regedit posting, guess what? It's real, guys. It's a real thing. Old school modders all know that with a flash drive, you can use it to do the speed boost on any computer, whether it be laptop or desktop or anything else in between, and use it as that option to actually do the buffering for your memory and or CPU or GPU and or all three as a combo, which this one should be able to do, and we will test it with it being a 64 gigabyte. So with that being said, guys, let's check it out. Video 2, be on the lookout for it. We're going to test out that theory. And this is Geek to Sneak one more time with Cameron, chilling, doing one more video for you. I told you I'd do it, so here it is.